Alright guys, welcome back. So, right now, here comes a cutscene.
The same blood as us, it seems. Nevertheless, you're an outsider. Just remember, if you become unpleasant to our eyes, you'll face severe consequences.
What? Same blood?
And I think that's it, guys. Alright, next chapter will be next, well, this is the end of chapter 1 out of 2. So next chapter is going to be chapter 1 out of 3, which that part is going to be about the church, where we might be going to. What can I say? Let's save. Save the game, just died. Ooh, what's this? Hunnigan? Come in, Hunnigan.
Leon, I've been able to get some new info that might help you.
Fill me in.
Apparently, there's a religious cult group involved. They're called the Los Illuminados.
Los Illuminados? That's a mouthful. Anyway, I had an unexpected run-in with the big cheese of this village.
But you're okay, right?
Yeah, but he could have killed me, but he let me live. And he mentioned something about me carrying the same blood as them. Whatever that means.
Carry the same blood. Interesting.
Anyway, there are more important things than solving riddles right now.
You're right. Hurry and find that church, Leon.
So they're called Los Illuminados. Sounds really fricked up, considering it's like something as the Illuminati, though it sounds more fricked up in the head. Right now we're gonna go back in here and there's gonna be an extra cutscene. Okay, so that woman right there was called Ada. But it's a woman in red. Somehow so familiar. Okay, then, I came back from there, right? I think I did. Alright, then. Alright, guys, sorry for the quick edit there. I just, just got out of my room because, I don't know, I heard something in the kitchen move or something. I don't know, let's just continue. You gotta watch out right here. There were some people talking around here. And you guys... Just making sure no one's here with me, because that would be kind of creepy. You get an incendiary grenade. Alright, that's perfect. Right here, guys, here's a funny thing. There is someone right behind that door. You will not guess who it is. Just look at it for yourself, guys. Jesus Christ. Yeah, he's just hiding in the bathroom. Whoa, chill down, bro. Whoa, chill down, bro. Alright, you can take your mini. What's inside here? Check. Looks like they use toilets. Guess they're at least somewhat civilized. Okay. So they're more like a normal person instead of weirdos trying to kill me. Oh, what's this? It's a painting of a lake. Maybe it's around here somewhere. Well, that's gonna be our next destination. Hi, Link. Dang it. Leon. I keep confusing names. Oh my god, I think the brightness is a bit too high. Right here, we're gonna have to find a chicken egg. Oh, it's a brown chicken egg. Nice. We're gonna have to save here. Chapter 1 out of 3. You guys are not gonna expect what's coming up next. Remember that guy with the chainsaw in the first episode? Somewhat familiar, but I think this guy is his brother, but even more fricked up. This mother trucker can live more a bit. Alright. Just making sure, guys, we're gonna have to change our weapons. First we're gonna mix this herb with this herb, making it even powerful. We're gonna have to use our shotgun. Let's man up and get outside. Bam! Let's kick the door. Oh my god, there he is! You see that, guys? Oh my god, this is creepy as hell. Get out of here. Reload, reload, reload. Come on, son. We killed it. Nailed it. We got a ruby, that's awesome. Alrighty then, let's keep moving. Shut up. Nobody can hear you. Whoa! Oh my god, oh my gosh! Oh my god! Where did you hide? Holy balls. I can almost feel they're behind me. Come on. Come at me, bruh. Let's go. Holy crap. Chill down, bruh. There's more of you guys. Damn. I ran out of freaking... Whoa. Come on, man. This is bullcrap. I'm sweating right now because I'm scared. Alright, wait. I'm gonna have to fix something real quick. I don't know. I think the brightness was going, like, super high because, like, the light from my window was in. So, I think that should make it. So right now, we're gonna have to change it to my handgun. Damn, son, chill. Who asked you to freaking throw stuff at me, huh? That's right, son. Let's eat this chicken egg. Eat it, boy. Eat it! Okay, no. Oh, and there was money in here. Alright. We gotta go. Oh my god, I'm sweating so much. And I turned off the fan because I thought it made so much noise. I just don't know. Oh, no way, not this part. You know what, guys? We're gonna have to speed run this again. Speed run it. Speed run it. Speed run it! Oh my god. Get the chicken egg. Oh my god. Okay, come on. Go, 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 go. Oh my god. Go, 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 go. Shh. Okay, whatever. Okay, grab the key. Freaking use it and open the door. Oh my god, this is scary, man. I never thought this game was that scary. Even when I'm recording, it's even scarier because I have to watch out how much time I've been recording. Okay, there's nothing in here. That's save. Let's save. Okay. Making sure there's nothing left of items in here. Okay. We're gonna open this. We're gonna go down here. let's see what's down here. There's candles and stairs around here. Okay, come on. Whoever's in this cave, show yourself. Alright. Whoops. Wow, there's nothing in these boxes right now. I think we're gonna find the merchant around here somewhere. I think we are. Here he is. Alright.
Got something that might interest you. Got a selection of...
So, stranger, any luck with the blue medallions? Well, not really, because I just need... There are more of them ahead.
What are you buying?
Let's see, what can I buy? Is there something up here? Oh,
Is that all?
heck yeah, man. We're gonna take this ace spray.
Thank you.
We're gonna have to
What
tune
are
up
you
something.
buying?
Actually, no, wait.
What
Before
are you
that,
selling?
I'm gonna have to sell this.
Is that all?
Rifle ammo.
Thank you.
We're also gonna sell... I don't know, this.
Is that all?
Red herb.
Thank you. Is that
6
all?
finals.
Thank
A ruby.
you.
A pearl pendant.
Thank you.
Cat's
Is
rat
that
eye.
all? Is that all? Thank
Good,
you.
we're gonna have
What
to-
are you buying?
I'm afraid we're gonna have to upgrade something. Let's upgrade the handgun. Ooh,
Is that
capacity.
all? Is
Reload
that all?
speed.
Is
Firing
that all?
speed. Perfect.
Thank you.
Shotgun.
Is that,
Capacity.
is that all?
Perfect.
Thank you.
TMP.
Is that all? Is that all?
Boom.
Thank you.
Okay, I think we're good now. Let's get out of here. And I think we're good. Oh, okay. We've made it a little bit far, guys. Let's see what's in here. So as you can see right here at the green stuff right here, it shows my health, my name, obviously, how many bullets I have, and if you guys noticed, I had 10 bullets, which that's a total of them, which now I have 13. And oh my god, my health is a little bit low, so we're going to have to eat this chicken egg and go upstairs. I mean, go in the later. That's how I like to call it. And holy shiza, guys, here comes the church part, which is a little bit fricked up in the head. Like, look at that. It doesn't look like a horror movie. Okay, we're gonna have to watch out here because there's one crazy girl right here. Oh my god! Okay, there you are. What's up, girl? Peekaboo! Oh my god. Who wants to go next? Ahoy! Alright, you want to go next? Just give up, lady. Oh my god. Boom, son. She's dead? There you go. She's dead now. Don't freaking touch me. Yeah, that told him. Alrighty then. Looks like we have more shotgun ammo. Which that's... Oh, actually, never mind. Oh. I'm gonna have to move some stuff in here. Move that ace spray right there. Alright, we're good. Right here, you guys. Here's where we're gonna continue our quest for the blue medallions. Alright, there's one right there. Boom. 8. There has to be more of them. I just don't know where. Alright, there's one right there again. 9. Now 10. I mean, yeah, 10. What am I saying? Whew. How many left? How many more? Oh no. How many more of them left? Oh, okay, there's a bit more of them left. 3, 4, 5. Alright, just need 5 more, guys. Alright, guys, I think I'm gonna end this episode right here. Tune in for the next episode right now that I'm gonna upload. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.